Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get an appointment in a Saudi driving school and step-by-step procedure involved in the getting the license in Saudi Arabia. This video is in three languages: English, Hindi, and Tamil. You can check the description for the other languages. Okay, now let's move on to the video. The first step in getting license is booking your appointment through Upshare. It's very easy and we have uploaded the video before. You can check the video in the description. Once you get the appointment, you need to take the appointment and you need to approach the driving school in the date of appointment. Go to the counter in the driving school and give the appointment. They will send you directly for the trial driving. In the trial driving, they will ask for your IKAMA and they will ask you to sign a form and they will take you to the vehicle. In the vehicle, along with you, there will be a trainee will be there along with you. He will command you to move the vehicle and you need to move as per his command. He will not help you in this trial. He just want to see how much your efficiency in driving. This trial is just to check your efficiency. Based on this trial, they will decide you the package you need. There are three packages in modern driving school. If you are excellent in driving, then they will provide you the advanced package. It's cost about 690 real and it's having the theoretical classes of 4 hours and the practical classes 2 hours. The second package is average proficiency. It's about 1466. It's about 4 hours of theoretical and 10 hours of practical. And the third package is 2760. It's about 6 hours of theoretical and 22 hours of practical. Based on your efficiency, they will allot the packages. Once you finish the training, you need to go to the counter and check for the plan that they set for you and you need to pay the amount. Mostly in driving school, they are not accepting cash, they are accepting only cards. So please carry your amount in cards. Once you pay the amount, they will provide you with a link and the login details. The login details of the website is both your IKAMA number, the username and the password. You go to the link and you just type your IKAMA number as the username and the password. You just type your IKAMA number and then log into the website. The website will be like this. You need to go to the option in the top right corner and your my account and your name will be displayed. Click on that and it will redirect it to the other page. Here it will show in the dashboard of your performance. I have completed the my practical classes and I'm waiting, so it's showing 64%. In the appointment booking, it's you can see the appointment booking. Click the appointment booking for my next appointment. I have completed my trial and my two theoretical classes and I am booked by a theoretical exam. Here you can see the time, date and the classroom number and the type of number of hours, everything. In the left corner you can book the appointment, you can change the appointment and cancel the appointment. Before booking the appointment, it will be like this. There will be a option called book the appointment in the left corner and the type of classes or test or anything, and the description is showing waiting. So until now they didn't open the booking for these classes, so you need to check every 1 hour for this. And once they open, you need to get the appointment, otherwise your time will be get delayed. Here you need to book appointment for every classes and exams. For example, once you finish the trial and you pay the amount, you need to book the appointment for your theoretical classes. So you need to come to this page and book the appointment for the theoretical classes. Once you complete the theoretical classes, then your theoretical exams will be opened and you need to book the appointment here. And once the exam is completed, again you need to open an appointment for the practical classes. And after you completing the practical classes, you need to again take an appointment for your practical exam. It's a final. Okay, so you need to take around 4 appointments in this tab. If anything, or if you are unable to attend some classes, you can reschedule the classes here. I will give you some tips. I am actually a manual car driver. Actually, they provide only automatic cars for driving in the trial. So while driving, I use both the legs for driving. If you also have the same problem, just uh, remind only one thing: use only one leg, only right leg use for brake and accelerator. And again, use your indicator correct way. Wherever you turn, you need to properly put your indicator so you can get the advanced level 690, and you can save your money. Okay, hope you understand, and this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and book the appointment in time to save your time. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please give one thumbs up in comment. Thank you.